How to use multiple sound output in Windows 11. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video. In this following tutorial, I'll show you how can you use multiple sound output in Windows 11. To do it, you want to make sure to go to settings. So tap on the search box and type in settings. As you're located, what next you want to do is you want to go to systems. After which you want to go to sound, and here what next you want to do is you want to scroll down and go to more sound settings. As you do it, you could see this sort of pop-up window, and here you could find out your default ones. So you could then go ahead and select multiple right over here as well, but then you could go to recording. And then what next you want to do is you want to go to stereo remix, or you could just click on the mouse and click on show disable properties. So I'm just gonna go ahead and click on disable devices, and then here it is. And then you could go ahead and select it. So after which you could go ahead and right click on the mouse and click on properties. So after which what you want to do is click on listen, and then you want to go ahead and make sure to click on or make sure to select it to listen to this device. Once you've done it, you also want to make sure to select default playback, or you want to go ahead and select this and click on apply and hit the OK button. Once you've done it, then you'll have successfully used multiple sound output in Windows 11. So that is the way you could do it. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.